What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG and AOMC YouTube channel again, and I'm back today to give you guys another look at the new KTM 125 two-stroke we can expect to be announced in May. Now, I dropped a video on this a few days ago, and I'm really sorry. I know the pictures were kind of grainy after I blew them up. Out of pure ignorance, I didn't realize that there were already pictures of this bike out in the Husky form in a higher resolution. So the main goal behind that video was to tell you the date, but I should have included the better Husky pictures, so I'm gonna include them here. But the Husky shows us much higher resolution photos, and the motor is clearly the same. So we can clearly see, guys, that this is the same bike as the KTM in the photo. It's got that same different exhaust, it's got that same motor mount. The Kickstarter is indeed removed. Also, you can tell it's the new body panels, even though it looks similar to the old Husky body style. It's got the cover over the shock and shock adjuster so your leg doesn't rub it there. Moving around to the other side, you can see the big plastic cover over the electronic power valve. You can see some kind of throttle body system. I can't wait to get a closer look at that. It all looks pretty cool. I am super excited about this bike. This is definitely going to be the biggest jump in two-stroke motocross technology we have seen in a quarter of a century. You know, think about it, guys. Two-stroke moto bikes have been, the same kind of carbureted setup, since the mid-90s. And we're finally getting something new. Guys are commenting saying, do you think it'll have as much hit? Well, guys, I don't think KTM is going to go backwards in power. So yes, I think it'll have as much hit. Now, can these bikes have problems? Yeah, absolutely. There's going to be some hiccups probably. Just like there was a few hiccups with TPI when it came out. Now, were there near as many hiccups as the internet will lead you to believe? No. Just remember, for every one thing you hear on the internet, there's 9 other people that didn't have problems. So, but guys, that's what happens when you are pushing the envelope, and that's what KTM's doing. You can have your own opinions about KTM, but 1, they are pushing the envelope, and 2, they are giving riders options. So just want to show you guys those pictures today, guys. I'm super excited. Remember, May 8th is when I've been told these bikes are going to announce, at least the KTMs. Sometimes the Huskies can come a few days or weeks after. And then I don't know. I've been told that the gas 4-strokes were going to stay the same this year. I would imagine the 2-strokes will too. Maybe they'll get updated next year. So as always, guys, I will keep you updated on anything I hear, on rumors, on news. So make sure you hit that red subscribe button. And if you really appreciate these, you go one step further, hit the blue join button, be on my race team. And yeah, appreciate you guys. See you in the next one.